everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach and welcome to 453 Central Ave, a beautifully renovated bungalow in the core of downtown London. Now this home is the perfect condo alternative because things inside are updated and new, but outside you've got low maintenance with a small yard, but it's large enough to entertain before you head to your favorite restaurant downtown. Inside, you'll see that this space has been beautifully renovated, but they've also kept a lot of those character details that people love about homes in this area. So enjoy the video, let me know if you have any questions, and if you'd like to arrange to see this home in person, you can reach out with the information that you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.